Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT Tutorials. I am Josef Bodnar. In this video tutorial I'm going to talk about making the first Java application in IntelliJ IDE. This IntelliJ IDE is an integrated development environment for Java applications. It is very popular because it has a very good feature. There are other editors like NetBeans or Eclipse, but in this moment I consider IntelliJ IDE the best option. In order to launch this editor, either you're going to use this shortcut from your desktop, or you go on start button of Windows 10 and choose a letter here, and after click on J letter, and where you have this JetBrains, your IntelliJ IDE community will be found. Click on it, and this will release this editor. Anyway, this IntelliJ IDE community is a free version of a commercial product of IntelliJ IDE. Don't worry about this, because the free version, the IntelliJ IDE community, is enough for us to go through all Java tutorials. It is enough to learn Java, so we don't need the commercial product. Here you click on the create a new project. In order to create a new project, this will take us to this window. Select Java here on the left side, and here where is this project SDK, actually is founded the JDK version. I've got the JDK 11. This JDK is stand for Java Development Kit. If you have multiple JDK version installed in your computer, and if you want to use another one, you just go and click on this arrow, and after a list of your JDK version installed in your computer will appear, and select another one. If you want to work in another JDK version, then it was by default selected by IntelliJ IDE. I'm working with JDK 11, as I told you, because I consider this JDK to be the last stable version, because it is LTC. LTC stands for long-term support by Oracle. That means this version will receive updates from Oracle for many years from now on. There is a newer version like JDK 14, but that one is not LTC, so it is not long-term support by Oracle. Therefore, JDK 14 is not stable in my opinion. That's why I prefer to use JDK 11. Alright, so after you click on next button, this will take us to this window. Tick this box where is this create project from template, and here is just one template, command line up, which is the command line or the console. That means we are going to make a console application. Click on next button to go further. Inside this window, we're going to set the project name here in this box. Like I'm going to name my project first up. Yeah, as you can see, automatically IntelliJ IDE named my subfolder where my project will be located, where my project will be saved. First up, the same name as I gave for the project. If you want to change this, you can change it. You just remove it and you write another name. But I recommend you to use the same name for the subfolder which contains the project as the project, because in this way you can find your project easier. I created this main folder lab_java where I'm going to save all my projects. If you want to change the location, you go on this button, click on it, and select another location for your Java applications. But I notice if you change the location, this IntelliJ IDE might not add automatically a subfolder for your project. So pay attention for this. If the IntelliJ IDE would not add a subfolder as it is now here to your new project, you have to do this manually. So you have to write here the name of your subfolder, which will locate your project. So yeah, just I noticed here a mistake. So first up. Okay, so after these steps, just click on finish to go further. You will receive this notice from IntelliJ IDE because your subfolder created for your project, in my case first up, does not exist. It will be created by IntelliJ IDE. So you just have to click the OK button, and this will take you further. And here you go. Here is our source code, which is located in this file main Java. If you go on the left side, there is this window project. Click on it, and it will be expanded. Click on this arrow to expand this project first up, and inside this subfolder src is located the main file, which contains the source code. I mean this code which you are seeing on the desktop inside this editor. So what we have here? We have a main class which is public, as you can see. Why this is named main? This class is named main because it contains the main method, which is a must for all Java applications. So all Java applications must contain the main method, because all the Java applications will be run through this main method. You probably encountered this situation also if you know C or C++ or C#. There the things are the same. I mean also C++ or C# needs a main method for all their applications to be run. So for example, if you create multiple classes, method, functions, all those classes, functions and methods will be called and run inside this main method. Okay, so further, if you want to write a code, here is this comment, write your code here. That means we have to write the code inside the main method, inside the curly brackets of the main method. So I'm going to use a very simple statement using this class system, and you can notice how easy appear this list, which help us to identify the kind of the class what we need, or methods or functions. And I'm going to use this print line method to display in console something, or you can choose a method. In my example, print line from this list. It is about this one, so click on it, and IntelliJ will paste that in your editor, I'm going to use double quotes, and I'm going to use this text hello, and you have to know all Java statements is terminated by semicolon. Yeah, so pay attention for this semicolon. Also, this method print line, when displaying console an object or a string, that line will be terminated after it was displayed. That means if I'm going to use again a statement which contains print line, the new object or the string will be displayed on another line. So let's do so. I'm going to copy this with Ctrl C and paste it with Ctrl V here. And I'm going to write here another string inside the parentheses of print line method, like IT tutorials, the name of my channel. Yeah, let's put here an exclamation sign. Okay, and I'm going to paste another statement using this method print line, and here I'm going to write learn for free. All right, so because I used this method print line, all these strings will be displayed to another line, one under another one. Yeah, if you want to run this application, either you go here on the menu, click on run, and after click on run main, or you can go here on the right side and click on this green arrow. So click on it, and here you go. Our application was launched with success, was built successfully. And here is our output, which contains these three lines: hello, IT tutorials, learn for free, because I used these three statements with the print line method. And as you can see, all of them is displayed on a separate row, on a separate line. Hello, after hello, under hello, IT.tutorials, and the last line is learn for free, because I use this print line method, which makes each line to be displayed separate, one under another one. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.